Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to install Power Automate, a very useful app for using it in collaboration with Microsoft 365. You can use it with Outlook and you can automate emails and can do too many good things in your business. So obviously, to get benefited from this app, you first need to install this on your machine. So you can do that very easily by coming here to the Start menu and come to Microsoft Store. And on the search bar of Microsoft Store, you need to search for Power Automate and it comes here, so I click on it. You see here on the top there is Power Automate, and if I look on this, it is written free, mean everybody can download this app, a very powerful app that will ease your life in your business. So if I move the cursor over it, the get comes at the corner, so I click on the get button and it is acquiring. So depending on on the speed of your internet, it may take few seconds and it start downloading. Obviously, the download is very slow, so I will come back here once the download is complete. So you see, the app is now installed and ask me for opening. If I open this up, it is processing, getting things ready, and this may take a little longer. So it asks me to sign into Microsoft Power Automate. Therefore, I sign in. And I have two accounts, one of Outlook and the other of Hotmail. So I enter with the one with Outlook. Welcome to Power Automate. Require data collection. I click on next. Then choose your country. So I enter my country enter is okay, send me occasional promotional email. I uncheck this and then get started. Welcome to Power Automate. Let's take a quick tour to get started familiar. And this is here is create a new flow. You can create new flow over here. So I got it. I click this. I'm not interested in anything this. And this is the home screen of Power Automate. Here is my flow and start with share with me examples, etc. So Excel automation, web automation, desktop automation, daytime handling. These are too many things that you can do with Power Automate, and I will make videos on these later.